16th one. Varun puts 5 cookies in each box for the sale. How many cookies did he use in all to put in 5 boxes? Let's try to put 5 in each box. 5 plus 5, 5, 5, 5. Now let's add all the cookies together. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25. Option A 15 wrong, option B 35 wrong, option C 20 wrong, option D 25 is our correct answer. Now 17 to 18 questions. Direction. The given pictograph shows the number of cows bought by 4 milkmen. Study the graph carefully and answer the following question. Milkman, number of cows bought. P has 1, 2, 3 cows, Q has 1, 2, 3, 4, and R has 1, 2, S has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each cow stands for 2 cows. So let's add 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Q has 8 cows. R, 2 plus 2, 4. R has 4 cows. S, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 children. So S has 10 calves. How many more calves does Milkman S bought than Milkman Q? Now S Milkman has how many calves? 10. Milkman Q has 8. Let's try to subtract and find out how many more calves does S has. 10 minus 8, how much children? 2. So Milkman S 2 more calves than Milkman Q. Option A 3 wrong, option B 6 wrong, option C 2 is the correct option. Find the total number of cows that all the milkmen bought. Now let's all together 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 8 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 10 28. Option A is 28 correct answer. Now let's see Rashi. If Rashi goes for picnic on every Saturday and Sunday in September, then how many days will she go for picnic in that month? Let's add. Saturdays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. On Sundays, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, for 9 days, Rashi goes for picnic in September month. Option A, 8 wrong option. Option B, 9 is the correct answer, children. What is the weight of one mango? Here is a weighing machine given and 2 mangoes are given. Weight also given for these mangoes. Let's try to find out the weight of one mango. Let's write 100 plus 2 mangoes equal to, let's add over here 200 plus 200 400, 400 plus 200 600, 600 plus 200 is nothing but 800. Now quickly find out 2 mangoes weight equal to 800 minus 100. 800 minus 100 equal to how much, children? It's nothing but 700. So 2 mangoes equal to 700 grams. Now 1 mango weight equal to 700 by 2 equal to, if we cancel out, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. So 1 mango equal to 350 grams. So option A 300 grams wrong, option B 350 is the right option, children. Now, 21st question. On a bookshelf, there are 30 comic books, 45 English books, and 18 mathematics books. How many total books are there on the bookshelf? Let's quickly add ones place first. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So there are total 93 books are there on the bookshelf, children. Option A 91 wrong, option B 85 wrong, option C 94 wrong, option D 93 is the correct option. 22nd question. Rohit wants to buy the given items. How much money would he need in total? Let's try to add all these items. Money. Hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Let's quickly add ones place. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Tens place, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8 children. Hundreds place 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 children. So he need 680 rupees to buy all these items. Option A 680 rupees is the right option and is our answer. 23rd question. Ruchi planted some plants in a garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 340. Let's write the clue which has given over there. More than 340 plants planted by Ruchi and has 6 at the tens place. Which of the following cannot be the number of plants planted by her? So it must be 6 in tens place. Okay. So let's check. Tens place is 6, tens place is 6, tens place is 6, tens place is 6. In every number we have tens place 6. So this will be ruled out. This will not be helpful for us. Now, greater than 340 plants planted by Ruchi. So let's find out which number is least than 340. That will be the answer. So A 368 more than 340 correct. 568 more than 340 correct. 864 more than 340 correct. Option D 269 less than 340. This will be the correct answer. Kanika is 11 years old and her brother Sahil is 15 years old. How much older is Sahil than Kanika? So we are supposed to find out the difference between Sahil and Kanika. Let's find out. 15 minus 11 is equal to how much children? If you count backward, after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 4 years. Sahil is 4 years older than Kanika. So option A 5 years wrong, option B 6 years wrong, option C 4 years is the correct option. Now 25th one, Priya bought 3 juice packs and 2 milk bottles. How much total quantity did she buy? Option A 8 liters, option B 7 liters, option C 9 liters, option D 12 liters. So first let's find out 3 juice packs means 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much children? 6. Now 2 milk bottles 1 plus 1 equal to 2 liters. Now let's add 3 juice packs 6 liters, 2 milk bottles 2 liters. 6 plus 2 how much? 8. 8 liters is our answer. 8 liters is our answer. Option A 8 liters is the correct answer. Varun saw the given painting in a shop. How many triangles did Varun see? Let's count the triangles on the given picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Option A 6 wrong. Option B 7 triangles are there on the given figure. Right. Now 27th one. A wildlife park had 350 elephants, out of which 35 elephants were sent to zoo. How many elephants were left in the wildlife park? So 35 elephants must be subtracted from 350. Let's do that quickly. 350 minus 35. Let's take a bar over here. 10. 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. Here what is there? 4. 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. 3 minus 0 is nothing but 3. So 315 elephants were left in the wildlife park. Option A 352 wrong. Option B 315 is the right option. Amit's school was closed for 5 days. Every day he did 2 fun activities based on mathematics. How many total activities did he do during the holidays? So let's add 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. So 10 activities on math done by Amit's school. Option A 15, option B 10, option C 8, option D 12. Option B is the correct option. 29th one. A tank contained 72 liters of water. Shika drained 47 liters of water through a tap from the tank. How much water is left in the tank? Okay, 72 minus 47. So let's take a more over here. 12. 12 minus 7, how much children? 5. 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2. So 25 liters are left in the tank. Option A is the correct option. Right children? Now 30th question. Anurag drew the given shape. How many corners are there in the given shape? Let's count the corners children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many corners are there in the given figure children? Option A 12 is the correct option. Achievers section. 31st question. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. Okay, let's go with the options children. Half past 8. Figure B, half past 8. No, this is wrong. Option B, half past 7. Yes, half past 7. 15 past 4. In option B, wrong. Option C, half past 7. Yeah, half past 7. 10 minutes past 4. Yes, 10 minutes past 4, right? 10 minutes to 6. 10 to 6. Correct. Option C is the correct option. Now, quickly see the 32nd question. Identify the three-digit number. The digit at tens place is 2 less than the digit at ones place. The digit at ones place is greatest one digit number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So digit at ones place is nothing but 9 children. Now let's find out tens place digit is how much. The digit at tens place is 2 less than the digit at ones place. Okay, fine. 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7 children. So here it comes 7 children. The digit at ones place is 4 more than the digit at hundreds place. Hundreds place is 4 less than the ones place. 9 minus 4 equal to how much children? 5. Yeah, it's 5. This is our answer. Our number is 579 children. Let's find out the options. Option A 458 wrong. Option B 568 wrong. Option C 579 is our answer children. Correct answer is C. Read the statements about the given figures carefully and select the correct option. Okay. Option A number of slanting lines is in figure P is 7. Let's count the slanting lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 slanting lines are there in figure P. So wrong option. Total number of horizontal lines in both the figures is 15. Let's count the horizontal lines children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 horizontal lines are there in figure P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 12 plus 5, how much children? 17. So here it's given 15. This is also wrong. Number of vertical lines in figure Q is 0. Vertical lines are not there in this figure. So this is our right option. Number of vertical lines in figure Q is 0 is the correct option. Which of the following thermometers shows the difference between the temperatures as shown in the given two thermometers? Here it's directly given 60. So this becomes 60 degrees Celsius children. X. Now on Y this is 10, 20, 30 is not given, 40, 50 is not given, 60, 70 is not given, 70, 80, 90. So on Y it is showing 90 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find out the difference between the temperatures given on these two thermometers. Let's quickly find out the difference children. 90 minus 60. So 0 minus 0 is nothing but 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. So our answer is 30 degrees Celsius, children. Option A 20 degrees. Wrong. Option B 10 over here. 20, 30. So our option is 30 degrees Celsius. Option B is our correct answer, children. Now 35th one, select the incorrect option. We have to quickly find out the incorrect option which is wrong. So let's read the options. Option A, the number 810 is same as 800s and 110s. How could we write 800s, 800 and 110s means plus 10 is nothing but 810, children. Option B, the smallest three-digit number is 100. Yes, smallest three-digit is 100. Correct. Option C, 580 is greater than 59 tenths. So let's write whether it is correct or not and check. 59 tenths means 590, children. So quickly tell me, 580 is greater than 590? No, it's wrong. So let's quickly see the D option. The place value of the 9 in 593 is 90. Yes, it's correct. So which is incorrect option? This is option C is the incorrect option. Yes, children, we are done with IMO. Please like and subscribe my channel, children, and stay updated with my new videos. Thank you. Bye, children.